This soap is magical. Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nana. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so whenever I do post videos like this, you'll be the first one to be notified. Again, thank you so much for your support. Biscosmetic Honey Black Facial Scrub. Okay, now I have been using this product for almost a month now, and I'm telling you, my mom came here yesterday and she's like, Nana, your skin is glowing. Biscosmetic approached me. You guys haven't seen the unboxing that I did on some of the products that they sent me. You guys go ahead and watch that video. I'll probably leave it on the screen card or below this video in the description so you guys can click on it to check all the stuff that they sent me. Now, I have been religiously using their stuff, okay? I wanted to talk to you guys about their Honey Black soap, which is a facial scrub for your skin. And as a melanated sister, I don't like harsh chemicals on my skin. I wanted something that will you know, be part of like my morning, evening routine. This thing will exfoliate, gently exfoliate the dead skin on your face, okay? If you guys know anything about black soap can be very harsh for your skin. It makes my skin very dry, okay? And the stuff in here prevents that, all right? So, you know, you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna use this and you guys going to see the afterglow. Get on with this right now. Black women using the word glowing, okay? Now, glowing is different from bleaching or toning, okay? Those are three different things. Now, I can only tell you about glowing. When a darker skinned woman says my skin is glowing, what they're really saying is they've been able to scale away the dead skin that was dulling up their skin, okay? So this is it. This is the secret to my glowing skin, sis. Okay, guys. So I just went, washed off my face. My skin feels like a baby's bottom. If you've ever felt a baby's bottom, okay, no pervert stuff. You know what I mean. Take a look at that. I cannot stress this enough. This soap is magical. And definitely anything with honey, sugar in it really gives you that nice, soft, smooth touch. It's so quenching for your skin. 5 minutes to show you whether if it dried my face or not. The goal is for it not to dry your face, okay? Okay, so after 5 minutes, my face is still moisturized. Like my face is not tight. Again, I'm not feeling any tightness on my skin. This is definitely a must-have face scrub. I'm gonna go ahead and tone my face again with the Bisc toner to make that skin glow, not to look dull, okay? We're not talking bleaching and we're not talking toning, we're talking glowing. This is my go-to non-oily. Yes, it's oil, but it's non-oily, which I love, especially when you have oily skin. You don't want your face to get extra oily, okay? This is my go-to oil. See that? It's not oily at all. Perfect. And it goes so well with Biscosmetic skin products, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and let me know what skincare products you use for your skin. And actually, let me know your skin type. Is it oily? Are you more on the oily side or more on the dry side? Also follow them on Instagram at Biscosmetics. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. love you. My skin is glowing. It is glowing.